Hi guys, today we are shooting cookies. I know I love to bake, but these are my gorgeous Maui Health Crunch cookies from the cookbook Healthy Baking, and they are divine. So I've got 250 grams of oats here that have been lightly toasted in the oven with just a little splash of maple and some vanilla as well. I've also got some peanut butter, which I'm going to put into a bowl. So you can do this by hand or you can do this with a hand mixer. And I've got about 60 grams of softened butter here. You can use a bit of olive oil if you want, but I find the butter adds a beautiful creaminess to the peanut butter as well. So we're giving that a bit of a mix. And I'll swap to a spatula. Now, in that we've got some coconut sugar. So I've only got a little bit, I've only got a couple of tablespoons of coconut sugar. You don't want too much because you don't want this to be too sweet, because the dates add a lot of sweetness. So I'm gonna mix in the coconut sugar and I'm also gonna mix in the eggs all at the same time. Look at that, it's beautiful, it's mixed in, it's lovely, it's creamy and delicious. Now, from there, what I wanna do is I want to add these 250 grams of oats. Now, remember, these have been slightly toasted. You can even use a granola, which would be really cool as well. Just about 125 grams of dates. And what we're going to do is just give it a mix. We just get our trusty ice cream scoop, like I always like to use when I'm making cookies. And what we're going to do is we're going to portion nice, big, generous amounts. Now you can make these into giant cookies or you can make them into small cookies. It's whatever you want. So what I want to do is I just want to flatten these cookies out ever so slightly, just using my hands. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle the tops just with some pumpkin seeds. They're like little healthy bursts of muesli cookies, infused with peanut butter, protein, and goodness. But these go into a moderate oven. So 160 degrees, fan forced, for around about 20 minutes. And there you go, look at that beautiful, delicious Maui Health Crunch cookies from my Healthy Baking book. They're high in protein, they're full of oats, full of little mineral-rich zinc little bombs here in the pumpkin seeds, and they're purely delicious. So enjoy, guys.